Hello, word, and welcome everyone. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today for another exciting episode where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Our word of the day is download. So, what does download mean? Well, simply put, a download is a file saved from the internet to your computer, phone, or other device. It's a noun, and we use it all the time in our digital age. Imagine you're listening to your favorite song online. If you decide you want to keep listening to it offline, you can download it. You're essentially copying the song from the internet and saving it to your device. Now, let's delve a bit deeper. How else can we say download? What are some synonyms we can use? One good synonym is retrieve. For example, I need to retrieve the document from the cloud. Another synonym is copy. You can say, I want to copy that image to my phone. Another option is to use the word save. A sentence example would be, I will save the file to my desktop. You can also use transfer. I need to transfer the data to my USB drive. One more synonym could be acquire. An example would be, I acquire the software from the official website. So instead of saying, I will download the movie later, you could say, I will retrieve the movie later, or I will copy the movie later, or even I will save the movie later. See how versatile the English language can be. Now, let's flip the coin. What are some words that have the opposite meaning of download? What are the antonyms of download? The most common antonym is upload. To upload means to send a file from your device to the internet. For example, I need to upload my presentation to the website. Another antonym could be send. I will send the file to my colleague. Another antonym might be post. An example is, she will post the video on social media. You could also use publish. The author will publish their new book online. One more antonym could be transmit. An example would be, we transmit data securely through the network. So, while a download brings something to you, an upload sends something from you. It's all about the direction of the file transfer. How can we use the word download in everyday life? Well, imagine you are at a coffee shop and someone asks you how they can get the new app you are using. You could say, you can download it from the App Store. Or perhaps you're talking to a friend about a new song. You could say, I just downloaded the new song by my favorite artist. You might hear someone say, the download is taking too long. Or you could tell someone, I finished the download and it's now on my computer. Common expressions include phrases like download complete, which you often see on your screen when a file has finished transferring. People might also say, I'm downloading a game right now, or I can't wait to download the latest episode of that show. Other examples in sentences are, she downloaded the instructions before assembling the furniture. The students were asked to download the lecture notes. He received a link to download the free ebook. Please download the form, fill it out, and send it back to us. The download size is quite large, so it might take a while. I tried to download the video, but the internet connection was unstable. The company offers a free software download. Remember to scan all downloads for viruses. Make sure you have enough storage space before you download the movie. The music festival allows you to download live recordings of the performances. So, to recap, download is a noun that means a file saved from the internet. We learned some synonyms like retrieve, copy, save, transfer, and acquire, and some antonyms like upload, send, post, publish, and transmit. We also explored how to use download in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoy our podcast, please consider subscribing and leaving a review. Your support helps other English learners find our show, and we really appreciate it. And now, for your homework. Create your own sentence using the word download and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to read your examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of English.